You're in the land of cryptocurrencies.
What is cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency is like digital money on the internet. Imagine that you have a magic coin that you can transfer to your friends via your computer or phone, but it exists only in digital form. It works without banks, and all transfers are recorded in a big book that everyone can see. This is called the blockchain. Thanks to this, no one can counterfeit or steal coins for free. It's a bit like in-game coins in video games, only they can be used in real life.
Tell us about the people of your country.
First of all, I want to introduce you to the royal family. This is the king of our country, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created by a person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite numerous investigations, the real identity has never been revealed. The Genesis block is the first block that Bitcoin began with, created on January 3, 2009. It even has a hidden message. The Times January 3, 2009 Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks. This is a hint at the problems of banks and the financial system that led to the creation of Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be divided up to 8 decimal places. The minimum unit of Bitcoin is a Satoshi, 0.00000001 BTC. This allows it to be used even at high prices.
Tell me in simple terms how Bitcoin is mined.
Imagine that there is a big magic treasure chest with a very complicated lock. To open it, you need to solve a riddle. There are many people, miners, trying to find the right key to the chest. They try many different keys, numbers, until someone finds the right one. The one who opens the chest receives a gold coin, Bitcoin, and records all new exchanges, transactions in a ledger. As soon as one chest block is opened, a new one appears with a new riddle, and everything starts over. Each new chest block contains a unique code, hash, of the previous chest block, which makes the blockchain reliable and unchainable. This is how people mine Bitcoin. They solve complex puzzles to get a reward. In the Bitcoin world, every few years, the reward for people who create new Bitcoins, miners, is halving. At first, they received 50 Bitcoins for their work, then 25, then 12.5, and so on. The number of Bitcoins is limited. The maximum number is 21 million. This is done to prevent inflation.
Tell me something interesting about Bitcoin.
In 2021, El Salvador became the first country in the world to recognize Bitcoin as an official means of payment along with the US dollar. Bitcoin cannot be physically banned. Some countries prohibit the use of Bitcoin, but it cannot be completely destroyed because the network is decentralized and exists all over the world. On May 22, 2010, programmer Laszlo Hanic bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. This was the first real transaction using Bitcoin. At the time, this amount was equal to about $41, and now it is about $1 billion.
Altcoin is any cryptocurrency that appeared after Bitcoin. The term comes from the abbreviation of the words alternative and coin, meaning an alternative to Bitcoin. In the next episode, we will continue our journey and talk about altcoins.